Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to a linked card in 2025. Whether you're looking to access your funds quickly or manage your finances more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. PayPal has streamlined the process with updated features for faster transfers, so let's get started right away. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the app or website. If you haven't linked a card yet, go to the Wallet section and add one. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, head over to your PayPal balance page. You'll see your available funds right there. Look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option, which is usually prominent at the top. Next, select the destination for your transfer. Choose the card you want to send the money to from your list of linked accounts. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Remember, PayPal might have daily limits, so double-check that. You'll also see any potential fees up front, as these can vary based on your location and the card type. Before you confirm, review the details carefully. PayPal will show you the estimated transfer time, which in 2025 could be as fast as instant for some cards, thanks to new partnerships. Hit the Confirm button, and you might need to verify with a code sent to your phone or email for security. That's it, you're done. One quick tip: transfers to cards are often faster than bank accounts, but always keep an eye on any currency conversion fees if you're dealing with international cards. If you run into any issues, PayPal's Help Center is packed with resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.